guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, it's your girl Tynafey. If you're new to my channel, you're most welcome to the family. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys on how I tie my turbans, or how to tie your head wraps on your natural beauty's hair. When I want to go out, I like to tie my hair to look sexy, you know. So I'm going to show you guys on how I tie my hair. This is my natural hair, which is growing. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the family, and I'll be catching you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye. So to start off with, I'm going to be using this hair tie. Actually, it's my shawl, so I put it on the net and I'm just going to place it on my head, so like that. So we want it to be really comfortable. I'm gonna shift this a little bit. So I'm gonna get my hair wrap. So this is the hair wrap I'm using. It's pretty long, which is really good. So I'm gonna put it on top of my hair like that. So for the next one, I'm going to put a scarf on my hair. So in this, I'm going to be doing like a one side head wrap. I'm going to do is just watch and see. So right here we have one side turban, and this is how it looks. So pretty, guys. So guys, the turban I'm going to show you guys is basically, I'm going to start from here. I'm just going to work my way upwards. Next one, I'm So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to tie your hair wrap or hairstyle different ways. Guys, if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to comment section, let me know what I need to change, okay?